So why is it only $100? The One Funnel Away Challenge is a 30-day challenge to help you go from zero to profitable in your business or take your business to the next level if you're already an owner. So another common question I get, this is packed full of so much content and bonuses. What's the catch? Why is it only $100? So hi everyone, this is Ed from Prosper Path, and today I'm going to answer that very question. So stay tuned to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some awesome bonuses for you when you sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. First off, you probably need to know who Russell Brunson is, the source behind the challenge. He's an internet master marketer that has been working in his businesses and marketing over the past 19 years. So he's built a following over 1 million entrepreneurs and has become a New York Times bestselling author through selling hundreds of thousands of copies of his books. He popularized this concept of sales funnels and co-founded the software company called ClickFunnels that helps tens of thousands of entrepreneurs quickly get to their message out to the marketplace. The reason the challenge was created, because we know that when you have success selling your products through the funnels, you're more likely to continue to use ClickFunnels to grow your company. So that's it. That's the evil ulterior motive for you to have success. So you keep using the software that is giving you that success. So I'm confident that once you see how easy ClickFunnels is to use, and I've used it, it's helping your business, it'll pretty be much a no-brainer to keep going and keep using it. So why is it $100? There's no way to make a profit doing this, and basically it's the driving philosophy at ClickFunnels that if they can't make you money, then they don't deserve any of it. So the goal is to help you make money, and then you'll hopefully choose to reinvest some of those profits back into the products and services that you sell. So everyone wins that way. You, the customer, and the services you're building your business, one of which is ClickFunnels. So that sound more than fair? Okay, so click on the link below to get access to this challenge, and I'll throw in these bonuses for you. The first is the 7 Products in a Week workbook. It's for people who are looking for inspiration for products to sell online. Create an awesome product that sells so you can quickly profit in your online business and get you up and going quicker and achieve your financial goals and enjoy more freedom. Second is an instructional course for creating your first website. For those who don't know where to start, this is a great tool to help you get started. Third, I've included the notes from the course, and it's the course summary that you can use to study as a study guide for the challenge and help absorb the massive knowledge that you're becoming your way in the course over the next month. And also, I've concluded 3 more bonuses to help you with your success and your mindset. The first is As a Man Thinketh ebook. It's a great read, and it's a short read, and was recommended by Tony Robbins for everyone to help them move forward in their life. Second is a home business legalities book that will help anyone starting a new business and help take the necessary steps to make the legal things a snap. And the third thing you get is the Cash Flow Quadrant book by Robert Kiyosaki. It's a book between the difference in mindset between owners and employees, and help you achieve that business owner mindset. So to achieve these great bonuses, just use my link for the One Funnel Away Challenge to unlock these bonuses on my site. And so I hope this video helps. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Also, comment down below, and I look forward to your comments, and see you in the One Funnel Away Challenge. So to your success, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.